Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Ford E350 5.4. so right now the problem is with the airbag light on, and I'm in the airbag, and this is the code for the airbag. That's the passenger side seatbelt buckle pretensioner, and I already bought the parts for it. This is original from Ford. That's the part number, and this is my new one. This is the buckle. This is the pretensioner. It comes as a whole unit like that. I noticed right away on the passenger seat, I removed the cover, just take it out from the back like that, and I noticed someone cut the wire right here, and it's missing the connector. Someone cut it right there and threw it away. And then this pretensioner is the Torx bolt. It's only one bolt, pretty easy. Just hit it out, and then you can take it out like that. And then for the new one, it comes with the bolt. Put them in. Got my new one in already. Here's my old one. You can see the cut off connector. For the connector that's going down to the floor mat and straight over to the driver's side, the airbag module connector, I ran a new wire because the old wire was bad. It was the one with the white and orange trace. It was 5 ohms, so that's a bad wire. This wire right here, the tan wire, it's 1.2 ohms, and it has continuity. This one has continuity, but the ohm was very high, so it's a bad wire. I ran a new wire. It's under a good new wire should be under 3 ohms. Now you can see this is the old wire right here that I cut off. I'm not using it anymore, and now I'm gonna tape it. So I ran a new one, run it over to the driver's side. The airbag module is located under the driver's seat. This is the driver's side, so this is the airbag module right here, and you can see, let me get a clearer view for you. So this is the old wire that I cut off, and I run from the other side, the passenger, to the new side right here. It's located on the black connector right here. So you're gonna use a flathead, put it in here, and pry the clip back to get it unlocked. Now I crimp it together, run it, so now it has good ohms. Now I'm going to show you. Let me give you an example of how I test the wire. Now I use the same wire size as the airbag, but I'm using a yellow one because it has a alligator clip, so you guys can see. So I use a voltmeter to test one end to the other end for continuity and ohms on the wire. So I had one lead hooked onto one side, the other one hooked onto the other side. Now I'm gonna switch it to ohms. Now you can see ohms is kind of like the horseshoe. So a good wire should be a good wire for airbags should be under 3 ohms. So this is 0.6, so this is a good wire, new wire. Now for the one with the kind of like the 3 wave right there, that's for continuity. So continuity is to test for broken wire anywhere in between. So from this end to this end, if it beeps, that's a good wire, but if it doesn't beep, it's a broken wire. So I'm gonna switch it to the signal. You can see it beeps, so that's a good wire. So when it doesn't beep, let's just say an example, okay? So this is a open wire right there. It doesn't beep, but if it's a good wire, it would beep right there. And the wire is good because it's under 3 ohms for airbag. Now I have the key on. I'm gonna clear the code for you guys. Let's see if the airbag clears itself. Oh, yep, it turns off itself, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go back to the airbag, see if there's still any code. Oh, look like it cleared itself, guys. So I'm gonna clear it again just to be sure. Code clear. There you go. Turn it off, turn it back on. Alright, look like it turned off itself, guys. So just a airbag, the seatbelt buckle with the pretensioner, and then the new wire that I run. Look like everything is good now. Let me try one more time. Airbag should be gone. There you go. So that's good, guys. So just a wire repair and the seatbelt buckle. That is it for this video. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.